This has been a phenomenal experience. What we learned is that we were very, very good with the use of the tools, but we were not getting much farther. It was becoming very difficult to go to the next phase of evolution. But now with the Shingo model, we have found the link between the tools and the culture.
I had informally started working with lean tools in healthcare, which was really new at that time. And we're struggling, like a lot of healthcare areas do, with trying to keep the momentum and get people interested and engaged. So when we heard that there was maybe something that we were missing, that it was more than just the tools and more than just the active continuous improvement, that we needed to focus more on our people, and that's what really has inspired my journey here.
This has been a tremendous opportunity. This is imperative to, if you want to get to that next level, I think the Shingo course is the course you need to take to make it happen.
This has been the first lean training that I've been through. I've been through many of them before, but this is the first one that really connects the principles to the systems and then to the tools. The ones I've been before were more tool-oriented. So this is the first one where it sort of starts to click all together for me.
I've been working with the Shingo model for a number of years, and I just think it's a fabulous way to help an organisation to roadmap their transformation.
The site visits have been really fantastic because it is reality. It is being on the floor and seeing what's real, because you sit in a room, theory is great, but actually seeing reality was a fantastic aspect to it.
To be able to get together with people from around the world, from different countries, different cultures, and to get together and then to go collectively to world-class organizations has been a phenomenal experience.
I think what really added value to me was the opportunity to come out and see and experience how other companies has been working with their operational excellence journey, but not least also the interaction between a lot of people from different countries all around the globe, who all are very committed around the desire to improve their companies.
We're very encouraged by the opportunity for self-improvement, so personal growth as a leader, and the potential to share that growth with our people, and use the lean tools and the lean background that we have to improve not only our processes but our whole organization.
I thought I was coming here to learn about the Shingo model, but I think I actually learned more about myself and our own operational excellence journey, and that's actually good, because that's helping me to continue my journey, and of course supported by the Shingo framework.
I'm going to highly recommend this to the rest of my company, because it's a great learning experience that me and my company have gone through.
If you really want to understand the principles, if you really want to do this properly, I think it's probably necessary to do this to get that deeper understanding.